Hello everyone. Do you know what Arvind P. Dattar, a renowned author, Shamnad Bashir, a beloved professor, Rajdeep Sardesai, a celebrated journalist, and Nehal Madhani, a successful entrepreneur, all have in common? That's right. They all have a law background and the will to do something path-breaking. Hello everyone, I am Tanya. Welcome to the Legal Edges YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about all the alternate careers after your law. When I joined the law school, I did not have a lot of reference beyond the conventional job roles जो एक law degree के साथ आते हैं. मुझे litigation के बारे में पता था, joining the judicial service या फिर at max becoming a company or a corporate lawyer. But today we know कि एक law degree से आपको ऐसे skill sets मिलते हैं which can help you excel in a number of different career fields. So आज हम उन्हीं unconventional या alternate careers के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं where you can use your law degree to become the best in your field. So without further ado, let's discuss the first career option, which is journalism. Journalism today is a very attractive job option. It's a great profession to excel in. And these are the kind of skill sets जो आपको एक law school सिखाता है and prepares you for. Good communication skill, ability to research and defend your argument, and if you are into the written word, becoming a good writer. एक जर्नलिस्ट को ना केवल ट्रूथ ढूंढना पड़ता है पर उसे कन्विक्शन के साथ प्रेजेंट भी करना पड़ता है एंड लॉ स्कूल एंड अ लॉ डिग्री विल प्रिपेयर यू फॉर दैट टू द टी. इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर्स स्पेसिफिक जॉब वैकेंसीज निकालते हैं जहां वो लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स को एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं टू अप्लाई सो दैट दे कैन टॉक अबाउट नीश टॉपिक्स लाइक द लीगल प्रॉब्लम्स. In fact, in recent years, आपने भी notice करा होगा that media has become lot more active in discussing cases by the Supreme Court or the High Court. So if you have a penchant for that, you must know that this is a great career option for you. Moving on to the next career option. For your next profession, with teaching, think of some of your favorite faculty so far and see how they have inspired you. If that is something you aspire to be, then teaching is the perfect profession for you. लॉ स्कूल विल टीच यू हाउ टू हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. एक आइडिया को कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं और एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, दैट इज समथिंग अ लॉयर इज नोन फॉर. They not only have good argumentative skills, they also have great research skill. So if you are someone who has an inclination towards academics, and if you want to inspire the next generation of lawyers to do some of their best work, then this is the perfect profession for you. Moving on to the next profession, EdTechs. Now, wearing the team colors, I must tell you, EdTechs are the new up and coming models of jobs. And I think if you have an inclination to do something creative, work in exciting new ventures, be connected with the changing world of media and technology, while still being very much related to the legal field and its updates, then EdTech is the perfect place to be. I assure you, there is a lot of job satisfaction on this end of the camera. So if you think this is something you'll be good at, not only will you be able to work in your own niche of law, concentrate on developing on your legal knowledge as well as communication skills, EdTech is the place for you to be. And a law degree is a great use in this career. The next profession is civil services. We already know that civil servants not only have the passion to work for the system, within the system, and change the system. If you have these feelings in you for your nation and your citizens, law students turn out to be very good civil servants. Not only do they have a great understanding of how these systems work, how administrative functions are built, and what is the requirement of the society, how to read these changes and their effects, they are able to apply it in the good manner of how the constitutional ideals tell you. So if you think that these are roles that inspire you, that these are the role models that have you have looked up to, even the subjects asked in the exams for state and union civil service examinations are very much relevant to what you are taught in law school. Not only policy making, knowing the law, but appreciating the law are all skills that you will learn and apply here to the best of your abilities. The next profession we are going to talk about is politicians. Now, I know that we have a certain image of what our politicians look like. but I also know we have a certain image of what we want our politicians to look like. From the history of the Indian freedom struggle, lawyers have made great political leaders because they are well spoken, they connect to the masses, they can aspire, they can cause a movement, sometimes a revolution, and they are also very well skilled in interpersonal skills, a good grasp of your legislative making and policy drafting. एक पॉलिटिशियन ना केवल बड़ी बड़ी स्पीचेस देता है, बट जो हमारे एमपीज और एमएलए होते हैं वो वेरी मच अ, उस सिस्टम का पार्ट होते हैं जो सारे लॉज और लेजिस्लेशंस को पास करते हैं और क्रिएट करते हैं. सो इफ you are planning to be a part of this, just imagine how valuable your law degree is going to be when appreciating the law and also in creating the law for the masses. तो ये नेक्स्ट प्रोफेशन जितना पुराना है उतना ही नया है. Then writers and now bloggers. As I have mentioned several times in this video already, law school is going to bestow you with the gifts of good research and writing skills. Please use it carefully and well when you enter law school. So, in today's world, legal writing is a profession in itself. Content creation already एक बहुत बड़ा market है, but legal writing has carved a niche for itself. There are a lot of successful blogs such as Bar and Bench and Live Law, जिन्होंने खुद को एक ऐसा blog बना लिया है by their good writing and good research skills कि अब they have become some of the most reliable sources of all legal updates. So if you have the love for the language, this could be any language that you're planning to write in. So if you have a love for the language, if you have a love for law, then there is no better field to be in. Not only will you have a lot of creative freedom in this field, but you will always be updated and associated with the changing field of law, and you will always be able to create an opinion or be part of the discussions that bring the law community together. So let's move on to the next profession. So the next profession we are discussing is HR consultants. So conventionally, usually marketing majors या फिर business majors के लिए ये job role reserved होता था. But now, as more and more companies are becoming aware of the laws that regulate not only the functions of a company, but also their internal affairs, they have started recruiting a lot more law graduates as well as students with a legal background into this role. एक law student को employee के rights, employer के rights तो पता ही होते हैं, उन्हें सारे लेबर लॉज एंड द लॉज दैट कवर द इंटरनल अफेयर्स भी बहुत अच्छे से पता होते हैं. Along with that, they are also very good with dispute resolution and they are also very good with their interpersonal skills. So if you want to use your social skills and have an inclination towards working in a corporate environment or being associated to a company of your dreams, then an HR consultant might be the perfect job role for you. Now we are going to move on to the next profession. As it is popularly said, all law graduates have a little bit of I want to change the world in them. If you also want to be the voice for people who might not be able to say things for themselves, if you want to say something for a cause or get people to join the cause, if you have good persuasive power, then a law graduate makes a really good social activist. Not only the not only do they have very good idea of what constitutional and human rights are, but they are also very good in creating persuading arguments and know who is it within the system who should be held accountable for their rights, and they are also very good at ensuring that these rights are justified. So if you want to share a noble cause, if you want to be part of a movement, then this might be a very good profession for you to partake in. Contrary to popular belief, law students actually make great entrepreneurs. What does an entrepreneur require? The will to work a lot of hours, but they also need how to do market research. Like I have already said, law students are great at understanding and collecting data and deriving a conclusion out of it. Two, planning and strategizing so you can execute your innovation to the best of its abilities. These are all skills you will learn as a personality trait of becoming a lawyer in itself, and you can hone and polish them a lot more throughout the journey of your law school. Now, courses such as BA LLB are also very popular among law schools as they understand how a person's wish to do marketing as well as have the legal knowledge behind a corporation could be very helpful for them. So, like I discussed in the video in the beginning, Nehal Mandal is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in his field. He found an idea that he liked. He revolutionized the way a legal process can be made accessible for people, and now we have Alt Legal. Google it, read up more about it, and see if this is a profession that would suit who you are as a person. Moving on to the last profession on our list. In fact, I saved the best for the last. As a law graduate, you can serve in the Indian Army as the Judge Advocate General. You can also be part of the Army Tribunal and help with your legal knowledge to serve those who are serving the country day and night. If you're medically and physically fit, that is, you can pass the certain tests that are set by the Indian Army. If you have the grit and enthusiasm to serve the nation, and if you have the willingness to work for your nation as the nation works for you, then this is the best profession to be in. I don't think I need to inspire you guys any further to be part of the glory that Indian Army is. But I assure you, as a law graduate, you will be able to combine your love of law and your love of nation together in this very respectable profession to the best of your abilities. And hence, if this is something that you aspire to be, then a law degree is going to serve you very well. So, tomorrow, when you decide to move to your dream college and as you enter it, remember all these vast roles that you can fill and fulfill with your expertise as a law graduate and the skills you are going to learn in this 5 or 3 year journey of law school. And I wish you all the best for whatever career you're going to take part in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will keep churning out such content for you. If you have any more ideas or any more comments about it, please drop them down in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, follow our Instagram, our Telegram, and our Facebook pages. You will get a lot more updates over there. You can call the number in the slide here if it is the one stop contact for Legal Edge. And we wish you all the best.